Hello, hi there. Welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Rose, the perfume lady. If you are new here, I welcome you. For those of you lovely return subscribers, I appreciate you coming back, hanging out with me. This video is about my haul for the month of March for 2023. I apologize if it doesn't come out in March. If you're watching this in April, I've been recording a lot of videos and I have about 5 or 6 videos which will come out before this one. So if I don't release it in March, so sorry. Alright, let's talk about some fragrances I've been hauling. Yeah, I've been a little bad. I did say I wasn't going to buy too many fragrances, but you know what, I think one day I was bored and I went online to those discounters, went to the mall and just went crazy. We are allowed to be crazy sometimes, okay? As long as it's not hurting anybody, it's not hurting ourselves, we're allowed to be a little crazy. So this was my crazy for this year. You probably will not see another haul this size again until maybe for Christmas, not even my birthday. I don't think I'm gonna go this crazy. Some of those fragrances are pretty expensive, but who cares? It's my body, it's my fragrance, it's my money, so I went crazy. All right, I will be back. Okay, are you still with me? We are back. Let's talk about this haul of mine. Some of those fragrances that are part of this haul, I think I did a video last week. They are part of that video, so I'm not repeating my fragrances, but I'm just doing the haul because all of these fragrances are things that I purchased in the month of March. Alright, first fragrance from the house of AERIN Lauder. This is LILAC Path or LILAC Path. I purchased the fragrance including the body lotion. This is the body lotion for the fragrance. When you wear these two together, you are in heaven. You are sitting in a bed of lilac, just having a nice cocktail. You know, it's a dream. So you can have anybody you want in your dream with you. You could have a guy, a woman, 2 guys, 2 women, who cares? It's your dream. Put Lilac Path on and then you will have the best dream of your life. The next fragrance, this house is new to me. This is my first from this house, from MILANO, and it's a blind buy. Of course, most of my fragrances are blind buys. This is TANGO. TANGO is exactly what the name is. It's TANGO. This is very strong, very powerful, long-lasting fragrance. I haven't worn it yet. I tried it on my arm and it lasted throughout the entire freaking night. So again, if you are dreaming, you probably will end up seeing a very strong man or very strong woman come to your dreams, because this dreamy baby here demands somebody who's really strong. Again, TANGO from MILANO. The next fragrance is the lovely NOCTURNA from Royal Crown. Look, when you're dreaming about this fragrance, when you wear this fragrance, you're going to be dreaming. You're going to be dreaming for someone with a lot of money, because this sucker was expensive. Okay? You will see a millionaire come to you. But you know what? You're going to be happy because he's a millionaire. Whether he's short, tall, big, who cares? He has money. No, I do care. I don't like short men. Oh, let me stop. NOCTURNA from Royal Crown. This is absolutely, undeniably gorgeous, guys. Oh, I think it's my top fragrance for 2023 so far. The next one is TUBEROSA by NISHANE. TUBEROSA is a beautiful fragrance. Oh my god, ylang ylang, orange blossom, tuberose, gardenia, jasmine. All of my favorite notes are in this fragrance. All of my favorite flowers are in this fragrance. It's not new to my collection, but this is my third bottle because I keep giving it away. So I'm not going to give this one away anymore. I absolutely love this fragrance. It's so sexy. In my dreams, you know what? Whoever shows up in my dream, I will take them if I'm dreaming about this fragrance. The next one is definitely new to my collection. It is not a new fragrance. This is Adventures for Her by Creed. I've never tried Adventures for Her as long as I have been collecting fragrances. I cannot believe I've never tried it until someone told me about it. And I purchased it, and look, I have already put a dent in that sucker because I've been wearing it like crazy. Adventures for Her take me away for a few minutes. Not forever, because I'm not ready to go yet. The next one is the beautiful Windflowers. Windflowers, it's nice, but once I'm done with this one, I will not replace it. I can promise you, I will not replace it. It's a straight perfume for maybe spring and summer. Once I'm done with it, I'm not gonna replace it. It's, you know, it's not worth the money that I paid for it. Even though I got it from a discounter, it's not worth the money. I'm just being honest. The next one is Santal Dulce from ARMANI PRIVE. This is worth the money. This is beautiful. This is sexy. It's exquisite. It wasn't a blind buy because I smelled it in the store before I purchased it. So I'm so glad I bought it. And it wasn't that expensive either. It's affordable. Ooh, baby. Symphonium Parfum. I had the Eau de Parfum and I ended up purchasing the Parfum. Just thinking about this, I'm getting hot. This is so beautiful and exquisite. Oh, you know what? If a guy walks up in my dream and is wearing this fragrance, I will just let him take me, do whatever he wanted to do to me, as long as it's good, as long as it feels good. I just love this fragrance, and I think this fragrance will smell sexy on a guy, sexier on a woman, but will also smell very, very nice on a man, especially if he was my man. Baby, yes. Oh, Symphonium Parfum from XERJOFF. The next one is MUSE from XERJOFF. So this is my least favorite XERJOFF fragrance. I never thought I could have a least favorite XERJOFF. This is my least favorite XERJOFF fragrance. I think I probably have maybe 12 or 14 fragrances. So it was about time that I found one that I did not really care for. I'm still going to wear it. I'm not going to get rid of it. But would I purchase it again? Absolutely not. It's a beautiful, you know, whatever the note they have in it. But I probably just will not purchase it again because I don't think it's unique. XERJOFF, you could have done better. The next one is Royal Princess Oud from Creed. Oh my god, I had this fragrance on my list of perfumes that I wanted to buy for 3 years and I never purchased it. And finally I purchased this fragrance and I'm absolutely positively happy that I want to keep it. It's a beautiful oud flowery fragrance. It's nice. You can wear this during the day, you can wear it at night. It's very versatile. You can wear this all year long. It's one of those fragrances I think you can wear all year long, to work, out on a date, to the movies, to dinner, go to shopping, and someone will give you a compliment. It's absolutely beautiful. The last fragrance, ladies and gentlemen, this is Dulce Diablo by NARCOTICA. If you're looking for a gourmand fragrance this year, this is the fragrance to go after. Something new for your collection. Look at the bottle. It's beautiful. It's a unisex bottle. It's just gorgeous. The perfume is absolutely sexy. My gosh, it's edible. Oh, it just makes me feel like I want a job. Oh, yes, baby. Oh, my God. Okay, I'm up. I'm awake. All right. Thank you so much for watching my craziness. I promise you I'm not on drugs. I have never touched that stuff. I promise you I am all natural. I don't even drink alcohol. I only drink tea. I don't even drink coffee. I drink tea and water. But I was born crazy. I'm a naturally crazy person. So, deal with it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. And don't forget to share my video with your friends. And remember, buy the freaking fragrance. Buy the freaking shoes. Wear them. Spray your fragrance all over your body. Avoid your eyes and your mouth. And eat the dessert in moderation. But the most important thing you need to do is to take care of yourself. If you don't take care of yourself, no one else will take care of you. So you come first. Thanks again for watching. I really appreciate you. Have a lovely day. Take care now. Bye.